We also presented this year at GU ASCO the latest analysis from the ARCHES trial. So the ARCHES trial is a phase 3 randomized controlled trial of ADT, androgen deprivation therapy, plus or minus enzalutamide in men with metastatic hormone-sensitive prostate cancer. And this was a positive study that was presented a couple of years ago by Andy Armstrong, the co-chair of the study, and it showed that the addition of enzalutamide to ADT significantly improved radiographic progression-free survival, which is the primary endpoint, and we saw benefit across most of the key clinical subgroups, and it was actually on the basis of this trial as well as the ENZAMET trial led by the ANZUP Cancer Trials Group that led to the FDA approval of enzalutamide in this space. So this is clearly an important trial, and we've done a series of subsequent analyses to try to understand the results better. And this one presented at ASCO GU was looking at men and comparing looking at men in two particular subgroups. That is men who presented with de novo or metastatic disease, that is metastatic disease at diagnosis, as well as men who presented with relapsed disease after prior local therapy, surgery and or radiotherapy. One of the interesting things there is we know that clinically that there can be differences in the outcomes and behaviour of men with de novo versus relapsed metastatic disease. Certainly, de novo metastatic disease behaves more aggressively. And so it was interesting to us to look at whether enzalutamide was beneficial in both populations. And what we saw reassuringly is that there was really no difference in outcomes between men with both de novo and relapsed metastatic disease. And that fits with other data that we've had from ARCHES, where it's been beneficial in men with both, enzalutamide has been beneficial in men with both high volume and low volume disease and other subgroups. And so I think this is further evidence that the addition of a drug like enzalutamide, an AR pathway inhibitor, in men with metastatic hormone-sensitive prostate cancer is really effective across the board, and where available and where accessible, really these sorts of agents are the standard of care and can be considered in all men with metastatic hormone-sensitive prostate cancer.